Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today I show you a very simple yet tasty side dish. You can serve it with both rice or rotis. That is stuffed brinjal. I have earlier on showed you some stuffed brinjal recipes, but this is a new version of stuffed brinjal. First we'll make the masala paste for the stuffing. I have taken a small piece of ginger, about 6 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Put them all in your blender jar. Along with it, I am adding some turmeric powder, salt, this is the Himalayan pink salt, and Kashmiri chilli powder. We'll add a little bit water and we'll grind this all into a paste. We have ground it into a paste. I have just used maybe half a teaspoon of water, that's all, very little water, so that you have a thick paste like this. Now I have about 250 grams of brinjals here. Preferably choose small ones. Keep the stalk intact. Then on the reverse side, just slit it like this. And place the stuffing over here. Cover it tightly. Similarly, stuff all the brinjals and keep them ready. See, we have stuffed all the brinjals with the masala. Now we can start making the sabji. Now heat about 3 spoons oil in a pan. Here I have 3 green chillies which I have chopped, and also 1 onion I have chopped fine. You can add that also. Fry the onions and green chillies for a few minutes. When the onions are slightly translucent, we'll place these stuffed brinjals here. If you have all small ones like this, it will be very good, but this is what I could get today. Cover it and cook it on a low to medium flame. From time to time, just keep turning it around till the brinjals are done. After a few minutes, just check it and give it a good mix. It needs to be done a little bit more. You can even sprinkle a little bit of water. Again cover it. Only thing, remember, the flame should be at low or sim. It's about 10 minutes now. Let's open it and see. See, the brinjal is well done. You can see it has become soft. We can switch it off and finally add some fresh coriander leaves on top. Gently mix it also once again, and your stuffed brinjal or stuffed bangan is ready to be served. So as I said, you can have it either with chapatis or rice. Today I have a few chapatis, some steaming hot rice, and we'll serve this stuffed brinjal as a side dish to go with it. So along with the stuffed brinjal, you can have some curd and pickle, and you have a delicious simple home style meal ready. So do definitely try out this recipe. Minimal ingredients, simple side dish, home style. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.